What's up guys, welcome to Kid Toy TV. Today we're going to take a look inside of this RC excavator HUINA 550 modified. For whoever new to my channel, hit the subscribe button to follow more videos. And now I'm gonna open the body and I'm going to show you my way how to connect the wires and set up on the remote. Right now, I'm using 6-channel receiver, so that's why the light cannot be turned on and off. But later on, if I have more time, I'll get a new receiver with 10 channel and just bind it in, and everything will work. 6 ESC right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, for 6-channel receiver, we only be able to run 6 motor gear. So we have 1 motor gear right here, or servo gear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the rotation right here, 6. Okay. So for 6 servo gear, you're gonna need 6 ESC right here. ESC 28. ESC 28. For this type of servo gear, like this, only come with 2 wires. Servo gear, ESC needs 7 of the ESC. So this go to power. Remember, this one go to power, that means battery powers. Battery power connect all ESC, connect all 7 or 6 ESC wire, power, battery power wires together, red to red, black to black, or negative to negative, positive to positive. Connect it like that. Connect it all in there like that. Hang on, I'll show you. Okay. Alright, just like that. Okay, all black in. 7 servo. Alright, just like that. Black to all black. 6, you need 6 ESC, so connect all 6 ESC into the same color wires, like red to red, black to black, negative to negative, positive to positive. Make sure as long as you get that correct, you get it going. But if you connect it the wrong way, it's no problem. See, and this one, they go directly to the battery. Just connect it like that. See how simple that is? All 6 ESC connected to all of them. All of them have to be connected. You see, same wires. You see, black to black, red to red, and then one have to come out like this, whichever the wire, I mean battery head connector that you like for your battery, just like that. See, take a good look at that. There you go. Here we go. And then the next one would be the wires that go to the servo gear. So for each channel have to go separate ESC, okay? Each ESC go to each channel's servo gear. So like that one right here, go to the gear right now, servo. So just connect it to any of the servo. Pop that out. Just get that to connect it. I shouldn't be doing connection, so I can save you guys a lot of time, but sometimes it's easier to see like how exactly to do it. Then you can just follow the step. See, like that one right now, that one right now, right here is a go to servo. So to be honest, this one don't matter how you connect it, it's just the way it will reverse. So if you connect it this way, like this, so it will go forward. But if you switch it like that, it will go backward. But you can also go to the reverse option on radio transmitter to hit the reverse button. So it will, you know, reverse it back. So it's no matter. I mean, it don't really matter how you connect them. So just connect them like this for now. See? Just connect them like that for now. Just like that, and it will run nicely. See? And then this one and this one go directly to the receiver. You just put that in to the receiver. So whichever channel you like, you can just put it in there. All right, for the radio setup. So this is the reverse right here I'm talking about. You see that reverse right there, reverse. So you can reverse any channel you like. So whichever this one you plug into the receiver channel, you want to reverse it. So you find out which channel you plug in, you just reverse it. There you go. And then the next one would be accelerate channel right here. You see accelerate channel. That's the way that you set up this one. Whatever up top here, they have like letter for you to read at it. See that? So for example, like channel 5, you can just hit that one. So for this up top here, for this up top right there is switch. So if you hit the switch, so you can choose A, SWA, or any of this. Okay, they have B, C, and D too. All the way A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D. Okay, then back here right here, I like this remote because it's release. See, you don't just stay at one spot. Okay, for the back here, right, accelerate channel, go to that one. I believe go to that one. There you go. Go to my bad. Let me go back. Okay, channel 5 is VRX right here. This is the back one right here. So this one say V or B. This one say V or A. So V or A right now is this one. See, just like that. And then channel check, you do the same. See, that's it. That's how it's done. And as long as you set them up all like that, it's all good to go. Alright guys, that's pretty much everything you need to do to complete the whole RC excavator. And you know, turn it into a remote like this. Pretty cool. When you use the joystick like this, it's really nice and smooth. And if you want the speed control, you can go back to my videos, my other videos that I uploaded on. Show you how to you know, using speed control on this radio transmitter. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the videos.